Do you think multitasking actually works? No, because most people's brain aren't capable of that. Really. Instead, our brains switches from one task to another task extremely fast. So our brain gets very tired with focusing on so many things, and this will lose your focus. For an example, losing just a half second of time to tasks can make a life or death difference for a driver on a cell phone. According to American Psychological Association, human executive control processes have two distinct complementary stages. They call one stage goal shifting. It means I want to do this instead of that. And the other stage is rule activation. That means I am turning off the rules for that and turning on the rules for this. Both of these stages have people switch between tasks without awareness. Maybe only a few tenths of a second per switch. But when you are repeatedly switching between tasks, they can add up to a lot of your time. Multitasking can create brief mental blocks, and that can take up to 40% of someone's productive time. This is what we call multitasking.